Hello, and welcome back to Stoic Mind Chronicles. In today's video, we're diving deep into an issue we all face from time to time: disrespect. Whether it's from a colleague, friend, or even a stranger, disrespect can shake us up and challenge our peace of mind. But what if I told you that ancient philosophy, specifically Stoicism, offers powerful tools to help you navigate these situations with grace, confidence, and emotional control? Stick with me as we uncover 20 Stoic tips to handle disrespect without losing your calm. Before we jump in, don't forget to hit that like button if you're looking for practical wisdom, and subscribe so you never miss another video on self-mastery and personal growth. Let's get started. Understand the nature of disrespect. The first thing Stoics teach us is that disrespect is often a reflection of the other person, not you. It's easy to take it personally, but remember, people's actions are often driven by their internal struggles, insecurities, or ignorance. The Stoic approach is to detach and view the situation objectively. When you can separate your emotions from someone else's behavior, you'll find that it's easier to remain calm and not let their words control your peace. Control what you can. Epictetus, one of the leading Stoic philosophers, said, "We cannot choose our external circumstances, but we can always choose how we respond." This is the core of Stoicism. Instead of reacting emotionally to disrespect, ask yourself, what can I control? Your response, your emotions, your state of mind. Take a deep breath and choose not to react in anger or frustration. Practice the dichotomy of control. In Stoic philosophy, there's a clear distinction between what's within our control and what isn't. Disrespect is outside your control. The only thing you control is your response. Focusing on what you can control helps you build resilience and keep your peace. Don't feed into negative energy. Stoics believe in not adding fuel to the fire. When someone disrespects you, instead of retaliating with harsh words or actions, choose to stay calm and composed. By maintaining your calm, you can neutralize their negative energy. Respond with wisdom, not emotion. When you feel disrespected, the Stoic response is to think before speaking. Pause and reflect. What is the wise thing to do here? Often, silence or a calm, measured response is more powerful than an emotional outburst. Recognize the impermanence of the moment. Everything in life, including moments of disrespect, is temporary. The Stoic idea of memento mori reminds us that we all have limited time. Don't let a fleeting moment of disrespect steal precious time or peace. Build inner fortitude. According to Marcus Aurelius, our greatest strength lies in how we handle adversity. Use every experience of disrespect as an opportunity to build your inner strength. The more you practice maintaining your composure, the stronger you become. Reflect on your own actions. Before responding, take a moment to reflect on your own behavior. Have you done something that might have provoked the disrespect? Stoicism encourages self-awareness, so even when others disrespect you, check if you've unknowingly contributed to the situation. Don't take it personally. If someone disrespects you, remind yourself that it's not about you. People's actions are often about their own struggles, fears, and insecurities. Don't internalize their negativity. Turn the other cheek. While not every disrespect can be met with kindness, Stoicism teaches us to respond to negativity with positive actions. Sometimes the best way to handle disrespect is by simply choosing to rise above it. Develop emotional detachment. Being emotionally detached doesn't mean being cold or indifferent. It means not allowing external events, like someone's disrespect, to govern your emotional state. Practice detaching from your immediate emotional reactions. Use disrespect as a mirror. Instead of reacting with anger, consider that the disrespectful person may be showing you something about yourself. Is there something you need to improve? Use their actions as a mirror for personal growth. Choose silence over words. Sometimes, the most powerful response is no response at all. Silence can be a tool for protecting your peace. When you say nothing, you take away the opportunity for escalation. Practice empathy. Instead of reacting with defensiveness, try to understand where the other person is coming from. Empathy can help diffuse the situation and offer you insight into why someone is disrespecting you. Maintain your values. A Stoic person knows what they stand for. Stick to your principles. Even when disrespected, don't compromise your values for the sake of an argument or reaction. Hold yourself to the highest standard, and others may eventually respect you for it. Shift focus to gratitude. In the face of disrespect, shift your focus to gratitude. Be thankful for your resilience, for the lessons in patience, and for the ability to stay true to yourself despite external negativity. Walk away when necessary. There's no shame in walking away from a disrespectful situation. Sometimes, distance is the best strategy. Walking away can be a sign of strength, not weakness. Use humor to diffuse tension. Laughter is a powerful tool. Humor can diffuse tension and take the sting out of disrespect. Just make sure it's not passive-aggressive humor that escalates things further. Set boundaries. Stoicism is about protecting your peace. Set boundaries. With those who consistently disrespect you, let them know, calmly and respectfully, that their behavior is unacceptable. Practice forgiveness. Finally, remember that forgiveness is key. Holding grudges only harms you. Release the anger and resentment, and free yourself from the emotional weight of disrespect. Handling disrespect is never easy, but with these 20 Stoic tips, you can cultivate emotional resilience and wisdom. Remember, the power lies in how you respond, not in what others do. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and comment below with your own experiences or tips for handling disrespect. Don't forget to subscribe to Stoic Mind Chronicles for more wisdom on how to live your best life. And, as always, remember, your peace is priceless. Don't let anyone take it from you.